Alright, hot damn, today's the day we're gonna actually do a little work on Kara's bike. We're gonna change the battery, lube up the chain, and get rid of that stupid sweet tooth sticker on the number plate. And, well, maybe let RJ take it for a rip. So, let's hope everything goes well. Come on. I'd say we're gonna swap out the battery on this one. So you got this thing. I like dirt bikes, they're easier. You got it.
Oh, there it goes.
All right, now save that, and there's this one that pops out here like your bikes. Oh no, he's telling me not to put the spark plug in it to adjust the valves. Yeah, just cut all that fucking shit out.
Oh, because this isn't on.
Oh fuck.
You got more zip ties, all right?
Yeah. All right, yeah, let's cut that off.
Well, it's cut. It's zip tied.
Oh, there you go. That's fine. What is that wire down there? Take that fucking thing out. Oh, see this?
That's what you were looking for the.
Hey, here's your fucking tender. Wow, that's got to be the easiest battery ever.
All right.
So easy, and RJ can do it. All right. Now you got to open these up.
And then put one.
You got your battery bolts that got to go inside here.
Huh?
Oh.
In there.
I think hers is like 5.
Battery bolts that go.
They go. Yeah, you put them sideways, and they go in here.
Mm-hmm.
And then you put the bolt in there with this on top of it.
All right.
But I'll start with the ground side first. Here you go.
I can move the battery.
Yeah, right here.
Okay, here we go. So this.
All right.
Goes in here.
They gonna go. Yes. So yours gonna go in there. Mine's gonna go in here. It's gonna go straight up and down like this. See that? So just slide that in right there.
Right here.
Yep. Now get your black thing on here. I would rather have a screwdriver.
Then my fingers.
Well, yeah. See? All right. Easy peasy. Now do it to the back with the red. I don't like how none of this shit is fucking hooked up, dude. I didn't even know they had a little starter. Did I leave the key on? Yes, I did. Hold on, burn apart, Jay.
I don't know what that noise was.
Put the key on.
Got it. It's tight.
Yeah, I got a zip tie.
Bigger one. There we go. Get that back on here. It's so annoying. Looks good. Mozart, turn the key. All right, pull this up and I hit the power button. There we go. Yay! Run all right. Oh, I know you got it on. We'll go in the shed and get the chain loose. That was easy. Okay. Max can do it, and RJ can do it, right? Yep. Choking it. Alright, was it gonna fit? You know how to do the other one?
Oh, well, you know, I put it through here and I put it through
No, I would start right here. That's something like, you know. Right now? Perfect. Now cut that off. Alright. Got the cover? Oh, no. What we got?
Oh, we're losing her.
What the fuck was that? Oh, you know what?
What?
We never turned the fucking gas on. God damn it.
Right here.
Yep, in the hole.
Pop it in. Back it in.
Thank you, Gary. I didn't know what you meant by that.
Want to put a socket on that so we can spin it out here and get it started. There you go, I'll tell you now. That's fine. Got it tight?
Is that what I'm supposed to do?
What?
Well,
Yep. Yep, that's it. It's only got the one bolt and it clips in the back.
if you guys give me a dirt bike,
You need like a big ass one of this or like a 125?
I would say like depending on what it is, but
I
yeah.
would like something physically bigger than your 110.
RJ, push this thing back like a foot or 2 foot. All right, and keep going. Stop. All right, nobody else's chain. This chain's fucking kink, bro. It is a big bike. Big bike for a little fucking girl, man. I take it for a rip if you want. Go ahead, man. I don't care. I know she won't either. You run? Is it running?
It's running. I stalled out one time because there was a little hill I wasn't prepared for.
Right.
Oh, I stalled out a second time, turning around to the back.
Okay.
But it was fun. I like this one a lot more than that one.
Okay. All right. Sounds good, man. All right, last but not least, let's get that stupid sticker off the number plate. Got my little handy dandy blow dryer. I don't have any of my heat guns, but let's give it hell. Hopefully it works. The bike looks a million times better too. Come on. The battery done. We got the chain lube, and I got that sticker off. Next, we just got to adjust the valves and be good to go. Hot damn.